Yesterday we heard from a number of people working within the health services right across the board. I thought again that was a very useful presentation, and it gave us an insight into just what it's like for people working within the health system and trying to cope with the demands that they are meeting every day. So whether that be shortage of staff, shortage of equipment, the things that are impeding them from doing their jobs. And what came from it across the board was the lack of capacity there to meet the demands as they are. There's one particular issue that really I am extremely concerned about at this moment in time, and that is the urgent access, the need for attention to be drawn to the fact that there are acute psychiatric patients and people needing mental health support and treatment presenting at A&E. They're presenting at A&Es throughout this country, which they rightly should. But if they have to wait, if somebody with an acute psychiatric condition or somebody who has mental health challenges are forced to wait for hours upon hours in A&E departments, that leads to, or can lead to, very difficult situations for the staff. And I think it's something that really needs to be looked at, because people in that condition, firstly, they need to be seen, and I'm extremely worried about the number of people who present who, after waiting hours in A&E, then leave without any treatment at all. Then the others that have to wait hours. There are thousands of incidents around this country where where people are presenting at A&E and there are difficulties arising and injuries have resulted as a result of people not getting the timely treatment and care that they need. And the staff within the A&E departments are not in a position to deliver that without having the proper resources to do so. So I think, again, I would like the Minister to come into the House to look specifically at people presenting with acute psychiatric conditions to A&Es and how we deal with all that and how we can better deal with it to avoid injuries and even worse into the future.